My name's Ben Nichols, and I'm the co-director of All People Free, an organization working to end slavery in the brickyards of Pakistan. Shortly after the birth of our first daughter, there was a story that broke out about a girl named Malala who was 15 years old. She was shot by the Taliban because she stood up for the rights of young women receiving education in Pakistan. My heart was broken. Dr. Eberly and Linda invited me to begin helping those stuck in the brickyards. I knew that I was called to do this.
I'm Harold Eberly. My wife and I, Linda, and I have traveled the world for the last 35 years, but our heart has recently been seized with Pakistan. We have seen over 2 million people that are enslaved in this country, and we're convinced that this is the time in history that slavery must end.
Christians, which are a small minority group in Pakistan, if they needed money, they would go to a brickyard owner and take a loan. Some of this might have happened 2 or 3 generations ago. They get that money and then they work it off to pay off the loan by working in the brickyard. They work 12 to 16 hours a day and then have no opportunity for school.
These poor people are mostly uneducated. The owners even cheat them in counting their bricks. They would make, let's say, 1,000 bricks. They would say, oh, 800 bricks today.
They do not pay them a good, handsome salary so that they could save some money and get out of that problem.
It takes one look at the babies in the brickyards learning how to walk at the same time as learning how to build bricks. You can't help but your heart just be drawn to them. When one person suffers, even when it's across the world, I feel like we all suffer. And the same is with freedom. When people are free, then all people are free.
At All People Free, we educate, we liberate, and we invest in brick-making solutions that are bringing a sustainable change. We are starting schools actually in the brickyards for kids who are working as slaves. We are able to go in and help people on occasion, get them out of that situation, which is life-changing. It's forever life-changing. We've been a part of helping 100 people like that over this last year. We are investing in technology and solutions to make bricks without using human labor so that we can get the children out of the workforce, bring them back into the home, and provide an education for them.
And I believe this is one step further towards freeing people who are in bondage.
We know that we can accomplish this and see, 2 million people free.
Help us get the word out of what's going on in Pakistan. Help us share the hopeful things for these young people that are stuck in this terrible, terrible system. Let's provide for them $10 a month, which doesn't sound like much to most people, but that's education for 2 children.
They do need our help.
There's something in the time of history where this has got to be stopped, and that's why we're involved. We're here to end it.
I'm Ben.
I'm Dr. Harold Eberly.
I'm Linda Eberly.
I'm Romaine Nichols.
I am Christina.
I'm Pastor Rehan Garstin.
And I'm not free until all people are free.